Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back everyone. I hope that all is well and everyone is in a safe space and a safe place tonight. Today guys, my DIY video is going to be the wall art. And I showed you in my previous video, the future project video, this piece of wall art here. And today guys, we are going to do this. I'm going to show you how I made this wall art happen. So if you want to see what that's going to be about, don't go anywhere and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay, these are the items that we will be starting out with. I have a 16 by 20 panel canvas, pair of gloves. This is the trowel. We also have plaster, which I purchased at Walmart, and I'm going to use varnish. In my previous video, I showed you my piece of art that I wanted to do, that I showed you I wanted to share how I did, and the finish that I used on here is the, what do you call it? The Mod Podge, because this right here was going to crack. See how this pops in and out right there like that? Well, with this being a soft canvas, this right here cracked. Once it dried, the plaster dried, when I went to pick it up to look at it, I heard a snap. I said, oh, and it hit me. The surface is too soft. Plaster is going to crack. When it bends, it has no flex. So I just hurried up and painted it, which would add a layer, then a layer of a coating, and then I put Mod Podge on it. So that's what I did to maintain the look without it cracking every time I pick up the painting, which is not like I pick it up that often, but anyway, so instead of, since this is not the soft surface that we're using, this panel, it's like cardboard, I'm going to just use a vinyl finish this time. I'm sorry, the varnish finish is what I'll be using for this DIY. Once I have applied the plaster on my canvas as evenly as possible, because I'm just eyeballing it like I usually do, guys, then I use the straight edge of my trowel to smooth out my plaster. And guys, I just wanted to say, it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. And right here, the first point of the jagged edge of the trowel, that's the part that I use as an anchor. That first toothy part of the edge of this trowel. Then I put it in position where I want. I anchor it down and I slowly pull and push at the same time, and just try to evenly and slowly and carefully move my trowel across the surface of my canvas. And once I get the hang of it with that first big, the 12-inch side, then I use the 4-inch side to make smaller spheres or circles. And this is the outcome so far. It's a little messy right there, but you know what? That's all right. That's what's going to make this piece of art unique. You know, I haven't perfected getting it really well coated on the sides as far as the canvas, but this is what I have going on. So far. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to let this dry for, well, it doesn't take long, but I'm going to let it dry for a whole 24 hours, and then we'll come back with the spray paint. And right before I went to the spray paint, guys, I decided to do another plaster design, and this was the design that I came up with, just using straight lines. Here is the metallic gold spray paint that I'll be using to cover and coat my design. Guys, right here, I'd like to take the time to say thank you for tuning into my channel. And hey, if you are a current viewer or new to my channel, subscribe. Yes, tap that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so when I come up with the next DIY future project video, you will know. And for my second design, I decided to go with the hand painted black, and this is black acrylic. I finished off the design with gold, which you will see at the end of this video. And guys, this is the result of the first plaster wall art, and I think it turned out really pretty. Actually, this video doesn't do it any justice, guys. The glitter, it looks like glitter and metallic at the same time, and it's a soft gold, so it really makes these spheres or this pattern stand out. I think it's beautiful, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Turning your art frame around from the horizontal side to the vertical position will give your design a different look each and every time. It all depends on which way the light hits the grooves of the design. And guys, coming up next is the second wall art, plaster wall art, and I think this is really nice also. Let me know what you guys think. Which one do you like the most, the gold or the black and gold? I think they both turned out great. If you guys like the content that I put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. If you're a current viewer, subscribe. Then tap that notification bell so when I come up with the next future DIY video, you will know, guys, and share. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.